Hello friends! Did you know that aloe vera sap is very good for plants? It stimulates the growth of plant roots, enhancing the ability to absorb nutrients. Aloe vera sap contains antibacterial substances, which help prevent the plant from being infected by bacteria. It helps plants increase vitality, reduce stress, and adapt to harsh environmental conditions. This video will show you two ways to use aloe vera sap to fertilize plants. Here I will guide you through the first way, which is to use aloe vera plants to sow seeds. You cut it into thin slices like this. Then put it on the ground. Then sow the seeds on top. Cover with a thin layer of soil. In addition to the above effects, aloe vera resin also has the effect of keeping the soil moist. Therefore, using it to germinate seeds is very effective. After 3 days, the plant has sprouted. I will check the tree's roots. Very strong roots. Now I will guide you through the second way. I use it to fertilize plants. You cut it into pieces like this. Peel off the shell. Then chop them up. You add a little water. Then water the plants directly. After 3 days, look, the tree is very healthy. Lots of roots. The tree is not infected. If you grow hydroponics, you do the same, then put it in the hydroponic solution. If you find the video useful, remember to like and share it with others. Goodbye and see you again.